Keto chocolate mousse. Ingredients: 1 cup heavy cream, 3 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/4 cup erythritol or other keto-friendly sweetener, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon liquid stevia, optional. Instructions: 1. In a medium bowl, whip the heavy cream until stiff peaks form. 2. In a separate small bowl, whisk together the cocoa powder, erythritol, vanilla extract, and stevia, if using. 3. Gently fold the cocoa powder mixture into the whipped cream until well combined. 4. Divide the mousse into individual serving dishes. Cover and refrigerate for at least 1 hour to allow the flavors to meld. 5. Serve chilled, garnished with additional whipped cream and a sprinkle of cocoa powder, if desired. This recipe should make about 4 servings that is low in carbs and suitable for a ketogenic diet. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.